send two types of messages to your panels. You can send a simple text message, or you can send an advanced message. An advanced message can include an image and sound. To send a simple text message, you'll select your devices and then Actions. You'll scroll down until you see Send Message. Here, you'll create the title and the body of your message. When you're done creating your message, select Confirm. This will send your simple text message to the panels. To send an advanced message, you'll select your devices and then Actions. You'll scroll down until you see Advanced Messaging. If you have not created an advanced message, you'll select Add New. You will want to give your advanced message a title. And select Next. From here, you can enter in text to show on your advanced message. You can also add an image. To add an image, select Image. Then, if you have not created an image, you'll select Add New. Here you'll give it a title, and then select File. You also have the option to add audio. That can be one that you upload, or you can record and upload sound as well. Once you have created your image, you can select Confirm. Then select on your image and select Apply. Here you can see my image on the right side. You can also add sound. If I select Sound, if you have not added a sound yet, you can select Add New and upload your audio. Once you've done that, select Confirm and Apply. You have the option to loop the audio, as well as set the time in which the message will turn off on the screen. You can enable these by touching on them until they receive a check mark. Once you have created this, you'll select Confirm. When you're ready to deploy your advanced message, you will select on your message and select Apply. This will send the advanced message to the displays you have indicated.